Hi, I'm from Learn Like Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see hidden files or folders in your system. For that, first go to My Computer, and at the top menu go to View, click on Options, change Folder and Search options, and under View options you can find Hidden Files and Folders. There, just opt the button Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives and just click on OK. And now you can see all your hidden files or folders in a faded out manner like this. This is my file I have previously hidden, and now I can see that. To clearly enable this folder, just right click on the folder, go to Properties and just uncheck the box Hidden and click on OK and then OK. And now I can clearly see my folder, files and folders. I hope you understood my tutorial. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Learn Like Pro. Thank you.